Then test driven development. The short version of test driven development is design a little, where you design and write test code a little and finally run the test to get feedback. Here the crucial part is to get feedback on what you have just changed or added. If that cannot happen very quickly, test driven development breaks down with respect to doing it in a small increments. If you want to run you test after writing a little code, you must be able to rebuild the application you want to test very quickly. If you have to wait too long, you are tempted to not follow the process as it is intended. So what is needed is extremely quick rebuilds, a matter of a few minutes or less. And the good news is that SCM can provide that. There are techniques for doing minimal incremental builds that will give you a fast turnaround time, so you can run your test often without having to wait too long. A properly set up SCM system will allow developers to have flexible build strategies that are tailored to specific parts of their development cycle. Another aspect of test driven development is that if we get an unexpected result of a test run, then we have to go bug hunting. What is it that has caused the malfunction? If you run tests often, it means that you introduce the bug in the code that you wrote most recently, or as Babbage puts it put it, an ounce of derivation is worth a pound of analysis. Meaning that if we can tell the difference in the code between now and before, we are well underway with finding the bug. Version control tools provide functionality for showing the difference between the two versions of the same file, and some tools can even show the structural differences between two versions of a configuration.